to make a video, I suppose. I 3D printed. I got this robot vacuum thing, right, and I found the suction's not very great, so I made this little crevice tool thing that goes on the suction part of the vacuum, and I made some little rollers with little flanges down the side. My idea is to simulate a crevice tool. Anyway, that's just part of it there. Basically, let's see. Here's another one. I've cut some little slots, like this one, and mounted it on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner with two rollers and a bearing. Now let's go and actually look at the actual thing. It's a bit hard to get down here. So right, there's a roller. It's the same colour. You can't really see it very well, but there's a roller. It's very tiny little roller. And I've got a little shaft, and the hole is a little bit tighter, but I'm hoping it should improve the suction. I've actually made one, as I say, I've been using this previous one without the roller, and it worked quite well, but I found out that what was happening was it was getting a bit too close to the carpet. So the idea is that the rollers, because if you get it too close to the carpet, then it blocks the suction off completely. So we need to maintain air moving, you know. So the rollers basically will keep a distance, a gap between the suction area and the carpet. So that's the idea, is that rollers they sort of stand proud for about 1.5 to 2 millimeters. But most of the time, this thing is above the carpet anyway. It's just occasionally it kind of bumps.